What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the plate light bulb socket on this 2010 Honda Fit. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, to remove this lens assembly, this plate light assembly, you just take your hand and push it on the driver's side, and you want to push it towards the passenger side, and then pull out. You might have to use a little bit of force here, just like that. This lens, the clip is broken right there, but if you just push it out, get a little force, and it is clipped in right there. Slide it down. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push on the lock tab on the connector. Slide it out, just like that. To take this socket out of the lens, just push on these two little tabs and slide it out. We can take the lens, get the lens lined up. This only goes on one way, so this is the more flat side. It's gonna go right there. Push it in there, lock it in place. Connect the lens assembly and socket to the connector, just like that. All right, so when we go to reinstall this, we wanna slide this side into the driver's side and then clip this piece on. This side is broken on ours, so just be careful. Just get this in position, just like that, and then push it down on the passenger side. And then we can do the same procedure for the other one.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.